This is Balmoral in Aberdeenshire, Scotland. No, no, no. I'm not here for the current royal family, the House of Windsor. More like for the House of Hanover. This is the Balmoral Bridge. In 1854, Brunel was commissioned by Prince Albert, who paid for this bridge. He paid to have a design for a bridge for the improvements of the newly opened Balmoral estate in the early 1850s. This bridge here was designed to replace the nearby Crathy suspension bridge, which was a footbridge, a carriage bridge down river on this River Dee, and it provided the main vehicular access across the River Dee to the castle. The structure you see in front of yourself is a single span wrought iron plate girder bridge, slightly cambered with regular pierced iron plate parapets and distinctive visible riveting. It has coursed rock-faced granite abutments with capped square granite piers and curved granite approach walls at either end. 5 roller bearings were incorporated into the design beneath the mounted ends of the girders at the east end of the bridge, together with an innovative girder section designed to resist buckling. The bridge can support a load of 86 tons, sufficient to bear the weight of modern traffic. Now, the final appearance of this bridge, of this rather plain looking bridge, did not entirely meet with the approval of its royal patrons. Queen Victoria was apparently not amused. One was not amused by its lack of ornamentation. A pattern of diagonal web plates along the parapets, punctuated with cross beams every 15 feet, providing the only decorative element. Brunel, however, was proud of his design of functional elegance. This bridge was manufactured by our Brotherhood Railway Works in Chippenham, in Wiltshire, all the way down to southern England, and as erected was superintended by Dr. A. Robertson of the Balmoral estate, who was the factor. And this bridge was constructed between 1856 and 1857, and it's probably the earliest plate girder bridge in Scotland, built under an Act of Parliament. Now, did Brunel ever visit this bridge? And the answer seems to be yes, because in 1857, in March, he wrote, when he heard the complaint from the Queen, "I will take an early opportunity of seeing it myself." I photographed this river yesterday, and the granite abutments aren't really seen by the Queen, but it's the top part. It's the abutments, the entrance at either end of this girder, which lack embellishment. And that was what the Queen said was sadly lacking. But strangely enough, none were added. But nonetheless, the bridge has gone through some minor strengthening and upgrading regarding the pathway. But the bridge is highly functional, and Brunel rightly was proud of it. One author said it was the least attractive of the Brunel's bridges. But what sets this bridge off really is the setting, the River Dee flowing south, and on the left bank, which is the west side, just a few meters in, you've got the entrance to the Balmoral Castle. I'm on here on a tour, 2 weeks or more, Bruneling around the country. And this bridge is the only piece of Brunel's career that is in Scotland. This is the only piece of work that Brunel has represented in Scotland. Everything else he did was England, Wales, Ireland, Italy. So very, very pleased to be here.